Visit Sealant.com for all project supplies, tools, and instructions.
In this video, we're going to show you how to attach the quick attach toggle. This is for a 3/16 inch wire cable. It can either be a 1x19, a 7x19, or a 7x7 wire cable. Okay, first we're going to remove the cone. Here's a pressure washer, and on the inside of the cone, you should be able to push that assembly out. These are jaws. There are 3 of them with an O-ring around them. The first task is to install the cone over your wire cable. Then the jaws come next. The skinny end goes on first, while the O-ring on the end is towards the end of the cable. Push it on, then slide the pressure washer over the end of the cable, and there should be about 3/16 inch of the cable sticking out from the end of the pressure washer. Perfect. Turn the lock nut all the way back as seen here. Then push the cone up, being careful not to move the jaws or the pressure washer. And then start screwing it onto the assembly. Once it starts to become firm, just turn this by hand, and then we'll use wrenches. Okay, now we're going to use a adjustable wrench on this nut to keep this from turning. And then we're going to use a 5/8 inch wrench here, and we're going to lock it down hard. Good. Finally, we'll lock down the lock nut onto the cone. Okay, Suncor recommends using a silicone sealant on the ends, so we're going to use this clear silicone sealant that's available at Sealant. So we'll just take this silicone sealant and apply it around the perimeter. The installation of the quick attach toggle for a 3/16 inch wire cable is now complete.
Need to cut your wire rope? Consider the wire rope hand cutting tool.
This is a wire rope hand cutting tool, or wire cutters. They don't open up unless you actually press all the way down, and then it releases, and then you can open it up to its maximum opening. It cuts wire cable up to 15/64 of an inch. So here's where I want to cut this cable. This is a 3/16 inch stainless steel cable, and I want to cut it right on this end. And here's how it works. Now I usually put it on a table, but you can also do it with your hands. Works beautifully.
If you have any questions about any of these products, feel free to give us a call or email us. We're glad to help. I'm Eric Grant, and from all of us here at Sealant, thanks for watching.